Ta-da! Great achievement begins long before the first click. It's born the moment someone decides to turn an idea into reality. We live in an era where creativity moves at the speed of innovation. Yet millions of people are still waiting through endless renders, dealing with unexpected crashes, and watching their projects burn precious time. The real obstacle was never a lack of talent. It was always the limits imposed by machines unable to keep up with the potential of the people using them. For creators, every second of waiting breaks the flow of ideas. For gamers, a single freeze can be the difference between victory and defeat. For those working in artificial intelligence, video editing, or 3D modeling, performance stopped being a nice-to-have. It became essential. Staying locked into yesterday's hardware means limiting what the future has already made possible. But there's a moment when everything changes. Imagine hitting the power button without thinking about load times, opening massive projects like you'd open any regular document, exploring virtual worlds at maximum quality, training AI models knowing your machine will keep up with every step of the process. In that moment, technology stops being just a tool. It becomes an extension of creativity. This is exactly where the ASUS ROG Astral LC GeForce RTX 5090 OC Edition reveals its true purpose. The 32GB of GDDR7 memory handles massive workloads, 8K textures, complex scenes, and large AI models, without memory ever becoming a bottleneck. The NVIDIA Blackwell architecture delivers major gains in ray tracing and AI acceleration, boosting performance exactly where projects demand it most. Meanwhile, the 360mm AIO Liquid Cooling system keeps temperatures under control and clocks high through hours of intense use, preventing the performance drops that can ruin a critical render or a decisive match. These numbers are impressive, but they're not what changes lives. What truly transforms the experience is realizing that inspiration no longer has to wait for the machine. Ideas flow, projects move forward, time stops being wasted. For the first time, the computer keeps pace with the person creating. And then something curious happens. The machine disappears. It's still there, but it stops demanding attention, because the spotlight returns to where it always belonged, the creator. The designer explores possibilities that once seemed out of reach. The developer tests without hesitation. The artist turns imagination into reality. The researcher accelerates discovery. The gamer walks into every match knowing the only limit will be their own skill. This is how technology fulfills its role, not replacing talent, but setting it free. Some people buy components. Some invest in performance. But some understand something bigger. They're not just buying a graphics card. They're buying time, freedom, confidence, possibility. Because time creates new ideas, freedom fuels innovation, and possibility builds the future. In the end, the ASUS ROG Astral LC GeForce RTX 5090 isn't just a new generation of hardware. It's a decision. The decision to let go of limits that never needed to exist. While many see circuits, memory, and cooling, others see something far more valuable. The chance to turn creativity into results, effort into achievement, dreams into reality. Because when hardware finally keeps up with human potential, it's not just the computer that levels up. It's the person in front of it.